Credit card companies aren't giving away reward points out of kindness. They've built a system where most people think they're winning, while the bank quietly takes the real profit. Free flights, cashback, hotel perks. It all sounds like a smart deal. But here's the truth most people don't hear. Reward cards only benefit you if you play the game perfectly, and almost no one does. One late payment, 1 month of interest, one balance carried over, and the rewards you earned are nothing compared to what you lose. But does that mean rewards cards are bad? Not exactly. Some people use them to travel the world for free, earn cash every month, and get perks they'd never pay for. Others end up trapped in debt, paying for vacations they never took. The difference isn't the card, it's the strategy. So before applying for a rewards card, just because everyone has one, you need to know one thing. The card will reward the discipline and punish the careless. In this video, we're going to break down whether you should get a credit card for rewards, how the system really works, and how to tell if you'd profit from it or fall into the trap. The truth behind reward cards. Why banks offer free points. Reward credit cards sound exciting because they make it feel like you're getting something for nothing. Cash back, free travel, bonus points, upgrades. But here's the part most people never think about. Banks don't offer rewards to lose money. They offer them because the system brings in billions every year. The rewards are not the product, you are. The goal of a rewards card is simple. Get people to spend more than they normally would, and keep a balance that earns the bank interest. Most people don't use credit cards for strategy. They use them for convenience. And convenience is what makes banks rich. Even 1 month of interest or one late fee can wipe out an entire year of rewards. So while the ads talk about free perks, the bank is betting you won't be perfect. They're counting on impulse spending, missed payments, and the belief that earning points is more important than staying in control. The truth is, reward cards can be a smart tool, but only if you understand the rules and use them deliberately. If not, the points you earn are nothing compared to the money you lose. Who actually benefits from credit card rewards? Rewards cards do not benefit everyone equally. In fact, the people who make the most money from rewards are the ones who treat the card like a tool, not a source of spending power. These are the people who pay their balance in full every month, never get charged interest, never miss a payment, and only use the card for purchases they were already planning to make. For them, the card becomes a way to earn free money on spending they would have done anyway. But that's not how most people use credit cards. Studies show that the average person with a rewards card spends more than they would with cash or debit, because using a card doesn't feel like spending real money. On top of that, millions of people carry a balance and pay interest, which instantly destroys the value of any points they earned. The golden rule: rewards only work if you never carry a balance. There is one rule that decides whether a rewards card is smart or dangerous. Never carry a balance. If you pay the full amount every month, you earn the rewards for free. But if you carry even a small balance, the interest you pay is usually higher than the value of the points you earn. For example, you might earn $20 worth of cash back in a month, but pay $60 in interest because you didn't pay the card off completely. That means the bank didn't just erase your rewards, they tripled their profit. One single mistake can undo months of free perks. This is why banks don't fear giving away points. They know most people will slip at some point. Maybe it's a big month of spending, maybe it's a late payment, maybe it's using the card while short on cash. All it takes is one slip, and suddenly the rewards were never really a benefit. If you want to win with rewards, you must treat the card like a debit card. Spend only what you already have and pay it off every time. No exceptions. Types of reward cards and what they really offer. Not all rewards cards are the same. Some give cash back, some give travel miles, some give store points, and some only work with specific brands. The best card for you depends on your lifestyle, not on what sounds cool in an advertisement. Cashback cards are the simplest. You spend money and get a small percentage back, usually 1 to 3%. They're great for beginners or people who don't travel much. Travel cards are more complex. They give miles or points that can be used for flights, hotels, or upgrades. These cards work best for people who travel often and understand how to redeem points for the highest value. They also usually require a higher credit score and often come with annual fees. Store cards like Amazon, Target, airlines, or hotels give rewards only in one place. These are dangerous if they make you shop more than you normally would. Each type sounds exciting, but they only make sense if they match your real habits. If the card makes you spend differently just to earn points, it's costing more than it gives back. The hidden costs. Most people forget to check reward cards come with benefits, but they also come with fine print. Costs that are easy to ignore until they suddenly show up on your statement. The most common one is the annual fee. Some reward cards charge $95, $250, even $550 per year just to keep the card open. If you don't use the perks enough to make back that fee, you're losing money before you even start. Then there's interest, which is usually 18 to 30%. Even 1 month of interest can wipe out all the cash back you earned that year. Other hidden costs include late payment fees, foreign transaction fees, bonus rules, like must spend $3,000 in 3 months. Expiring points, reward limits or restrictions. Many people sign up for a card because of a big first-time bonus, but after the excitement fades, they're left with a card that costs more than it gives. The lesson: a rewards card isn't automatically a good deal. It's only good if the benefits outweigh the fees, and that requires paying attention, not just excitement. How to know if you are a good candidate for a rewards card. Before applying for a rewards card, there's one question to ask. Will this card help me or tempt me? Not everyone is ready for a rewards card, and that's okay. The best way to know is to check your habits honestly. You're a good candidate if you always pay your bills on time, you never carry credit card debt, you already track your spending or budget, you don't buy things just because they're on sale, you have a good excellent credit score, 680 plus, you're not ready if you often pay late or forget due dates, you already have debt and plan to catch up later, you're easily tempted by shopping or discounts, you see the credit limit as extra money, you don't know how much you spend every month. Rewards cards are not free money. They require responsibility and control. If the card will make you overspend or carry debt, it's not a reward. It's a trap. The smartest move is to master a normal credit card first. Once you prove you can handle it, then step into the reward world. That brings us to the end of today's breakdown. Now you know that credit card rewards can be useful, but only if you stay in control, avoid debt, and treat the card like a tool, not a shortcut to free money. Before signing up for any rewards card, remember to check the fees, your spending habits, and whether you can truly pay the balance in full every month. If this helped you see the topic more clearly, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on money, habits, and smart financial decisions. There's a lot more coming: simple strategies, honest truths, and topics most people never talk about, but everyone needs to hear. Stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.